friends, this is my online net touch blue sky channel, and in this my video completely I will show you in this series a computer beginner of new computer user, no new people understand about Microsoft Windows 7 and how install and how operating system install, what is the operating system, and what is the main of some conditions and some settings very important for. So a lot of people not know about and not understand. You can install your new Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. You can installation in your computer. Not need pay to other side and outside the uh, computer engineer and some. So you can only install by your system and completely follow my step. But before understand about the Microsoft company related, so any Windows operating system, any computer you are using, this is every side computer have one of main operating system. And operating system is one type of operative everything your computer, and when you are work just like notepad, making file, accounting, data, website opening, and Facebook, and some using a lot of software and animations, everything, all of work on Windows main operating system. Okay, so you can using a Windows 7. So Windows 7 is beginner system, and you cannot completely understand uh, uh, before computer have a completed series. So you can understand uh, how install. So completely follow me step by step. But first, this will be very important for you. So Windows 7 is one type of operating system, and Microsoft company created by uh, some new features. Windows 7 last 2007 and 2008 very popular, and 2012 coming new system coming Windows 1 and Windows 8, and you have completely high some level hardware parts and the different device just like virtual support your motherboard, and minimum your fifth generation type of your motherboard, very good for your Windows 7 and features, and very flexible type, and very easily you open your data and everything operating your system. Second is your CPU, central processing unit. I'm already told you technical tips inside and computer hardware. What is a CPU? So CPU is one type of devices, and minimum requirement dual core using RAM, using you can 4 GB. So it is a very for and use 500 GB hard disk and other component complete your hardware, so you can install. And you have already complete this desktop and you are using Windows XP, you are using or you want any change in only install Windows 7. So I will continue in this video completely, I will show you. Okay, so first understand about what is the requirement operating system and what is the operating system. So laptop and desktop, any OS work and operate this system. Okay, so first you have Windows 7 CD DDR5 or a bootable pen drive, so very important for. Okay, so let's understand what is the OS, operating system. So let's start this video. So just you can see here, this is the operating system, means OS. So now about OS related. OS operating system is a computer control main part or main program, human language. This is a very important for. every computer user people any you are using, and these human language guideline command operate hardware, software and network computer controlled by operating system. It is a main is important operating system. Second is you want install hard operating system. So first main point, completely hardware parts complete setup in your computer and connect everything pins and complete, and you have completed your hardware, so you can enter second operating system main program. Okay, so this is a main operating system is one type of program, one type of main program. So OS is control everything your computer programs and the human language guidelines command operate hardware everything. So after third main point, completely installation operating system, so enter software and network. Okay, so I will discuss one by one. So operating system completely three is a very important thing about your completely hardware, OS and software and network. This is three completely your safely and completely your operate your computer. So first understand about the OS company. What is the OS? OS is one type of a main part of computer, because without OS you cannot start. You are power on your computer, power on your laptop, so you are power on your Android mobile devices. So what is the main first start is a main operating system. So operating system is computer control main part, okay, and main program human language. This is a very important. So uh, Windows operating system I am already showing you OS company. I am discussing in Windows operating system a second showing you Windows after compared competitions Red Hat Linux operating system, and I will discuss next some video Mac OS and extra lot of available. So now about Windows OS and Red Hat OS. What is Windows OS and Red Hat OS? So Windows operating system is created by Microsoft company, and Red Hat operating system created by Linux company, and Linux company and Microsoft company competition have operating system create. So Windows and OS Linux company is a top level type of company, and making operating system and different OS version and software program and computer program. So Windows operating system and Red Hat OS Linux, what is the different? So Windows operating system created Microsoft company, and Linux Red Hat created Linux created Red Hat operating system, and two type of manufacturing OS. So very important for understand about so 32-bit operating system and 64-bit operating system. So you must check in your hardware CPU support. CPU you purchase suppose you purchase new computer, so 64-bit purchase your CPU central processing unit, and second is virtual support your motherboard. This is a very important. Okay, and I am showing already told you CPU. So CPU, why these two manufacturer type of OS? So I am discuss in computer hardware CPU already topic in 32-bit and what is the 64-bit inside. Okay, so one by one understand about so the device work with the 32-bit and 64-bit computer motherboard. Okay, so every device is working in 32-bit and 64-bit. Your desktop, your laptop. So understand about term and tabs. So two type manufacturing, why OS. So first then CPU system. So CPU is central processing unit. I am already told you in a computer hardware series video, you can watch and everything CPU related. So this is hardware device work only for process and important input and output. What is the important input and what is the output? So I'm already created in computer hardware series video. Watch my playlist So understand only first, CPU is the main devices. Okay, so why 32-bit and 64-bit? It is one type of architecture condition and behavior, because you are using a computer. Suppose you are start Notepad, you are open animations videos, you are open animation software, and your CPU very busy and not more take load from your computer. But 64-bit and with high level core CPU 64-bit core i5 type, so you can more increase your speed or performance and good behavior, very high level type. So CPU have 32-bit CPU processor. You can install your operating system 32-bit only. So computer have two types of main condition. First, operating system available in market 32-bit and 64-bit, and second, CPU available 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, so you are 32-bit purchase CPU processor, so you can install 32-bit operating system. It is a complete and acceptable by CPU system. But you are 64-bit using these operating system. Okay, you are installed in operating system 64-bit, so this is not your processor support 64-bit type OS. I will discuss in next video when I'm completely installation one by one step. Okay, but this video complete understand about your main operating system. Okay, so 32-bit and 32-bit you have already attached in your CPU and motherboard 32-bit support only, so you must enter 32-bit operating system only. Okay, so second is a driver. What is a driver is the main, I will discuss next some video. So second point is 64-bit. Okay, you are purchase 64-bit, so 64-bit processor you can install 64-bit operating system. Okay, and you can also install 32-bit operating system. Okay, because 64 and 32-bit have automatically add, so you can completely 64-bit 64-bit processor support both side. Okay, 64-bit operating system and 32-bit, but 32-bit processor not support only 64-bit operating system. Okay, so where is the proof of your 64-bit and operating system here? How identify? So you can identify in go to your control panel and click on system. I am again show you practically. So I am going to directly system. Okay, so how you are going to from here and control panel and you can click on large icon. Okay, large icon click on, and after you can see system, and you can see here this is showing me here 64-bit operating system. Okay, this is my 64-bit this operating system type. Okay, and this is second is processor type. So you have 64-bit operating system, so you must install 64-bit operating system. You can install 32-bit, but not good perform, and your some half speed, not perfectly powerful work in your. So some computer engineer making a full your you are purchase new type of motherboard and cheat some computer engineer. Why cheat? Because 64-bit operating system this type available core dual core i3 core i5 core i6 core i7. Okay, this is type of category of type of your speed or CPU increase your speed and system. So same is condition. Sometime some people not understand about 32-bit and 64-bit, and this reason I am complete make this video. So 64-bit inside your processor, okay, you can install a 64-bit operating system and 32-bit operating system, but 32-bit processor not support 64-bit only this, okay. As the same condition I am showing you again computer driver related video. So what is a computer? You are a driver. This is the second is main column is driver. So 64-bit you are you have see a processor, so you can install your 64-bit operating system complete, okay. And this support 32-bit and 64-bit software system, okay. You can install 32-bit 64-bit software, okay. So computer you are download any software, okay, just like I am download VLC player, I am download Microsoft this type of software, okay. This is this type software you can see here. So every have two type software available in the internet, 32-bit and 64-bit type, okay. So you must understand about the very important for you. So just you can see here, this is you have a 64-bit operating system, okay. 64-bit operating system you can install accept this system and accept with also 32-bit and 64-bit operating system and software, okay. But what happen you are 32, you have only 32-bit only processor, so you must install same 32-bit software you can install, but you cannot install 64-bit software. This not supportable, not compatible for your system, okay. So minimum requirement, what is the minimum requirement? Any your Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, you are completely any type of using. So first is hardware minimum. So first you have a CPU 64-bit, I am recommended, okay. RAM 1 GB RAM for only Windows 7, but you are using Windows 8, Windows 8.1 installation, so you can must enter 4 GB RAM, okay. Hard disk 15 GB, only Windows 7, but you are installation completely powerful, so permanent, so 115, okay. Motherboard 3rd generation supportable, virtualization supporter, so good perform. Fifth is SMPS to 215 volt. This is a hardware related, okay. Hardware USB mouse and keyboard. So monitor you can using LCD LED, 4K LED. NIC network interface cards. 3rd generation after some other already motherboard attached in NIC card. Broadband connection or hotspot, okay. So you are you want to internet access and using, so you can connect your broadband connection, okay. Operating system requirement very important. Windows, Red Hat, any your operating system, okay. So first is Windows 7 operating system, disk or bootable drive, pen drive. So disk and bootable pen drive you have, you can see here, this is my in computer. So this is a Windows 7 disk operating system, okay. You can purchase from market, either you can download your operating system from internet through, okay. I will discuss in some next video. And second you are make a pen drive, bootable pen drive, okay. So how make pen drive, I am already created technical tips inside the video, okay. How create a Windows pen drive bootable. So watch my previous find my technical and tips playlist and find the video how make bootable pen drive OS, okay. So this is a already bootable pen drive, you can see here topic and completely watch video and you can understand about without CD DVD drive, only pen drive through you can install Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and you have already Windows 7 series, so you can install. Second is a drive CD drive for CD drive and download complete version data file. Okay. Second, after third is main port gigabyte any your motherboard main driver CD collection. Okay, because open a system after installation your CD DVD hardware related main driver. So it is a driver. Driver is one type of storing your one by one file in a different device system. Okay, so you can set up in different ways part of files, and different is a very simple of working your system. So example, just like a G8 gigabyte 356 is my motherboard. So driver is one type of system motherboard version. Part manage good performance protocols, some chips, communication hardware related video. Very important for your computer. Very heavy line of your computer, and different ISO system. Okay. So drive on type of system motherboard version and part manage good performer protocol chips and communications hardware. Okay, so computer have you can see this is a one type of CPU and CPU RAM type. Okay, so you can see here CPU processing and RAM processing. So why this enter computer main hardware driver? Because different company create a different device part, and some high level type motherboards, low type performance driver. So different create a company driver. Driver is one type of file and control everything your part of your hardware and communication, just like graphics driver, just like gaming driver, mouse driver, and your keyboard driver is very important. So first this is system driver, very important for, and second is your device driver. I'm already told you what is a device driver in your system. So device driver is your mouse, your keyboard, your camera, your speaker. It is one type of device driver. But what is a system driver? System driver is your motherboard related, just like your audio sound driver. Okay, audio sound driver, your communication network driver, your video graphics driver, your graphics driver, your different wise, your gaming and gaming boosting driver. So it is a one type of system driver. Okay, so you have a must two type of condition. You are install Windows 7 CD DVD drive, Windows 8 DVD drive, any your DVD drive. So and Windows 10 you are installed, so you can Windows 10 CD DVD or a bootable pen drive. Okay, so first is main you are completely setting your BIOS system. Okay, so BIOS is one type of what is a BIOS I will discuss in this video. BIOS is one type of your setting how you start and startup of your from your CD DVD drive and pen drive. Okay, so boost is a one to CD DVD disc, and okay, so one type of F12, F8 and F11, three type boot menu CD drive or pen drive. So what is the main boot? Boot means you completely computer start from this boot system. Okay, so this is one type of your computer start from different device or different device. You know, company make your some laptop. Okay, so F3 press your, when you are completely power on, and F3 press again. Okay, so continue press, so automatically open your boot. Okay, either you have any not open boot menu, so first you go into BIOS. Okay, so when you start your computer and completely start completely continue to delete press. Okay, and go into BIOS menu, boot option select, and first boot select CD or USB pen drive you have. Okay, so this is apply, press any key. Okay, and F10 press and say okay your start usually with this type. Okay, I will discuss in one by one. Okay, in this my video, but I'm just only uh, showing this message and completely loading and showing this type you start your installation. So how this installation start, I will discuss completely this type everything one by one practically. Okay, so I'm just only showing a theory base, and next time I will continue this practically. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day, and I will discuss one by one. Okay, about what is the x86, what is the 6x64. I'm already told you. Okay, so 86 is one type of 32-bit and 64-bit is 64-bit. So why this x86? 86 is architecture of created by Microsoft company. 86 is 32-bit system, okay, and 64 is 64-bit of a system. I will discuss in one by one in next video. So next video is very important for you and completely follow this my step for installation. Okay, so Windows 7 how install in my 7 and Windows 8, Windows 8.1. Any you are using same of process installation. Okay, not more any problem. Okay, main is a problem for only you maybe your boot menu. Okay, so check first you press power button and completely that time F12 F3 open your boot menu. Okay, very important for you. And other not open your boot menu, so completely shut down your laptop, your desktop, and again press computer power button in 1 second. Press continue, again delete button. Okay, you press start completely you start you push your button power button and that time delete press button continue, so automatically open your BIOS system. Okay, so BIOS system have a select boot and boot option. After first boot you select your attach your pen drive, so pen drive storing in your list and you are added CD versus CD drive, enter here. Okay, so next time I will continue one by one how installation Windows 7 and how using system. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button and click on bell icon for new notification in my all video part wise. And you maybe not understand these videos, so again watch my video so completely you can understand. Okay, so next video very important and I will show you very simple and very simple way through you can install your operating system. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day, and any questions you comment me. Okay, so thank you.